In my mind's eye, life is written in stone. For a long time, but I should live it alone. I don't need anything distracting me. Then I come to find behind me something that I didn't see. On the blind side, you were waiting for me. See, I thought I knew everything that I needed to, but then I met you. I didn't know that the stars could align, but it happened right on This is real life. It doesn't go how we planned. In the middle of the daylight, we're walking right into quicksand. 'Cause we don't need gravity or the earth under our feet. We can climb on up to heaven, we can sail